Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Morning.
You have a good day, thank you.
Thank you too. Of course, it's on the top floor. Total for that order ended up being $11. Next order is a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 2.5 miles. It's only one item, so most likely going to be a bad order. Okay.
Good morning, how's it going?
Good. I just had a DoorDash pickup for Skylar.
Yeah, so our coffee machine is down right now and we can't do any like espresso drinks. So we are just gonna refund that order.
Coffee machine is down at a coffee place. Who would have guessed? Also, I'm the third person in line now, and somebody just drove in behind me, so I'm kind of stuck here. And now we try to haggle with support, trying to get paid out of this, because I drove all the way there, and I sat in line for a good 5 minutes, so I deserve some shmoney. Okay, it took a while, a bunch of circling around the same conversation, but finally figured it out that they don't have a order for me. I got $5 out of that. Better than nothing, that's for sure. Ooh, speaking of better than nothing, actually, I don't know if this is better than nothing. We got a Wendy's. This is going 3 miles.
Give me 1 second, please.
I just had the DoorDash pickup for Andy.
What is the name? One more time?
Andy?
Just only one order, right?
It's 2.
It's 2 orders, LDP?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think I mentioned it, but technically this is 2 different orders. Although one of them is just fries, so I think they just forgot to order fries and ordered a second time. Total for that was just under $8 with a 25-cent tip. So luckily it did count them as a stack, so I got them paid like separately, if that makes any sense. They do it weird, I don't know. Got this next order right away. It's a Black Rock coffee going 3 miles. Thank you. Soup. Hand it to me. Oh, we love those. Hello. For Hannah?
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Total for that order was $5 and change. Right back to Black Rock coffee. This one's going 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, yeah.
Good, good. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You too.
Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, this one's kind of cringe. We've got a Chick-fil-A going about 7 miles. This one is going halfway across the river.
And you're for Brittany right here. Just make one more order ahead of yours in 1 second.
Hello, for Brittany?
Yes.
There you are.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $10 and change. Is that worth it? I'm gonna say not really. Next order up, we got a Starbucks. This one is $9 going 5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Hello. For a Brie.
Thank you.
Yep. Next up, we've got a 7-Eleven pickup. I think this is alcohol. Yeah, it is. This one is $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Very nice. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $6 going 2 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. We've got another Chick-fil-A. This one's $10 going 5.5 miles. Sounds like a good order, right? But I'm pretty positive that this just came in on their system too, so probably gonna be a bit of a wait. We don't know our orders. Thank you. Yeah, I was right about that, but it was only like a 5-minute wait, so not too bad. Just got the next order. This one's a Black Rock coffee, $6 and change going 1 mile. I just got an add-on order. This is an extra $4 going less than a mile. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hello. Just got a drop off for Rachel.
Thank you.
If you can guess where I'm picking up next, give yourself a pat on the back. I'll wait. That's right, Chick-fil-A. This one is $9 and change going 5 miles. Thank you. You too. All right, I'm gonna end it here. Current time is 10:31. Total, we ended up with, ooh, this is all over the place. Give me a moment to add it all up and I'll get right back to you. Okay, total ended up being 105. I'd say that was pretty decent. Not terrible, not amazing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.